This is the 2021 Apple 11-inch iPad Pro. And so let's take a closer look at this one right here. This iPad I absolutely love. Now I'm going to talk about a few products together so that you can be able to see it. So this one is the 128 Wi-Fi gigabyte with Wi-Fi. And the fact that this is the one that is in space gray. I have it selected as silver. You can actually get this in a wide range of storage sizes. You can get it from 2 terabytes, that's the highest it goes, and the lowest it goes is about 128 gigabytes. What I like about it is that has the newer M1 technology, but that's not what made my day. What made my day is the fact that they are using the USB-C cord or port to be able to charge this device. I cannot tell you how many times I've had these products and it has to have its own special one, and I'm an Android and a Mac user, so being able to interchange makes my life a lot easier. But I also like the fact that it has 4 speakers, so 2 on each side over here to be able to actually kind of have surround sound if you're watching a particular movie itself. Now, this is upgraded so that you're not having to use your fingerprint. You can still enter a key code if you wanted to, but it's designed for you to be able to use facial recognition to unlock, like what it's doing right now. Let me just open this up. And the fact that you have a higher resolution, it has the Retina display, and the fact that this one, again, makes it really easy to be able to see movies, read any books, as well as being able to use the pencil to write anything. I picked this primarily one up because I need to be able to take specific notes down when I am teaching, so it just makes my life easier to just kind of keep everything electronic. You can be able to see your Prime videos if you wanted to see your Prime videos. You can also read any books, and you can be able to write. And the fact that you can also pair this up with the pencil. So if you were thinking about using the pencil, what I like about the pencil, which I'm going to go into next,